hello, good morning. Today is my mom's birthday. So, happy birthday, mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. Have a blessed day. Have a good... Say.
What's up, eh? Yun ang sabi niya. Mama, happy birthday and always be happy. And thank you for always being here with us. And I hope you have more birthday to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for taking care of Soren. Soren? Where are you? Ay, anong greeting mo kay Tita? Ay, sa lola mo. Ha? Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you. Love you. Ah! Wala.
Happy birthday, Mami Jo. Always good health and more bonding. Tignan natin, mas maingit eh.
Hi Soren, happy 6 months. I love you. You're so pogi. And to my mother, happy 64th birthday. I love you so much. Thank you for everything, Mama. And this is my gift to you, the pogi one.
Okay, so update. The time is 3 o'clock p.m. and then my mom is cooking for her birthday. By the way, this is pasta, sweet and sour fish, mushroom, vegetable, broccoli, and we have some shrimp now. And Mama, let's cook. Okay, so what are you cooking?
Spaghetti and sushi.
So later we're gonna go to the mall and then we're gonna buy a. What are we gonna buy, Ma? Oh, a bag for her.
Crossbody bag.
Okay. All right. I'll keep you updated. Bye. Oh wait a second. Halfway to
Halfway there.
6 months, and also, Mama, happy birthday. Do you like your bag?
Oh, yeah.
How many bags you have?
I got 3.
6. So, Mommy is so busy.
Marami din akong pakulog, pero mas marami kong pakulog.
Halfway to
Kaya ka na ako nagpipicture pa.
Ano lang yan? Video lang yan. Preparation. Tanggalin mo na yung mga karne. Tanggal na.
Hindi pa yung babae.
Baka ulit kasi. Dinga-dinga-ding! Ah, dinga-dinga-ding! Dinga-dinga-dinga-ding! Dinga-dinga-ding! Sorry! Ding-ding-ding! Ang tumoy!
Ma, dito mo ka tumapata para hindi din nakatingin.
Baka lapat ako tinukunan mo. I'm so good!
Apogi! 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 Dali, nakikita yung paano.
Ako na lang mo. Pero nakurbada pagkatapos.
Para ba ang damit mo? Hindi makita yung halfway to 1.
Ay, doon ka ba tayo makatalaw? Saan ba si Butchoy?
Hindi, nakaupo na lang kayo.
Ay,
Dahil buko din yung tayo.
marami.
1, 2, 3.
Pabi, akin na yan.
Ay, yung may apoy wala.
Dapat di kantahan. Wait lang. Kukuha muna ako ng kantang happy birthday. Mala pa rin ka na.
Sila na kuya.
Diyan, Mara! Ay, si Kuya may kausap. Dali, magkakat mo na.
Picture. Isa mo lang.
1, 2, ready,
Ano, picture ka muna. Si Kuya may kausap.
Oh, sige.
Para lahat. Picture ka muna.
1, 2, ready, smile.
Okay. Hindi, Balik ka muna.
Shrimp, sweet and sour fish, mushroom veggie, fried pork belly, spaghetti, wings, barbecue wings. Hello, Bok Choy. Hi.
DJ na.
It's your 6th
Ano, game na?
month.
Ma, hold your cake na.
Ay, tapo. Picture mo niya.
Sumama
Ay,
pa.
teka, bitaw mo muna si Kuya ng ano message.
Sumama pa.
Mamaya. After na. Kasi na-on na.
Uy, ikaw, message kong dito.
Okay.
So this one.
1, 2. Happy birthday. Mo kami.
Dun. Happy birthday. Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday.
Sana'y tayong magkasing kami. Happy birthday.
Ayan na, wish na.
Okay. We.
Happy birthday!
Happy.
Birthday.
Thank you.
Okay.
Blow sa
Hey!
blow.
Happy 70th birthday!
Birthday pa pata.
Pakita mo rin pati yun. Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Ang mukha.
Oh, blow.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Okay.
So,
Blow.
mata mo!
Oh, yay! Okay, kainan na.
Mata mo! Happy birthday, Mom! Wish you all the best and good health! Hey! Hey!
Thank you.